Welcome back. We're getting you news of how a 200-meter sprinter selected for the first time from the Indian category for Rio has been now found in the doping scandal. Dharamveer Singh has tested positive for doping. The 27-year-old was scheduled to travel to Rio last night but did not do so. We have Vikrant, Rahul and Shivani who are joining us on this big story this morning. First coming to you, Vikrant, this is the speculation at this moment that Dharamveer was tested positive for doping. What's the road ahead right now for the sprinter?
Well, he didn't take the flight, and honestly, there were murmurs about him, especially the way he clocked the timings that he did in the 200 meters in India. People were shocked at that time. He did qualify for the Olympics, but there were suggestions that since he has been an offender once, maybe he was a suspect. As Rahul just said, NADA and the Athletics Federation of India yet to receive official notification, but I believe they will do that now. He has been found guilty for doping and he will not go to Rio.
He will not go to Rio. Now, that is the speculation at this moment, Vikrant. Let's also go across to Rahul. Rahul, Dharamveer Singh, coming from a peasant family in Rohtak district, rising to be the sprinter in the first entry for India in 200-meter category in 36 years. We'll be talking about the national honor here. But Dharamveer Singh, according to reports, was stripped of 100-meter gold at the 2012 Senior Nationals. Now, this is just a doubt right now that the agencies have that he could be doping because of his timing record. So our viewers need to understand this, that right now the tests that he's undergone where he's tested positive for doping, will there be a review on it?
Well, as of now, these are the initial reports with no official confirmation, but sources the sources have told us that they are sure that he's been informed by the National Anti-Doping Agency. In fact, he was asked by the by NADA officials not to board the Rio flight, as he has indeed tested positive. In fact, the very same competition in which he booked his Rio Olympics quota, the Indian Grand Prix in July in Bangalore, is where his sample was collected, where he has tested positive. So as of now, in fact, he should have, if he had any travel plans that he wanted to make changes to, he should have informed the IOA, the government agency, or the Athletics Federation of India, but he did not. So, in fact, nobody knew that why he didn't why he didn't board the flight. But we have been told that he has tested positive.
All right, Rahul, thanks for joining us. Shivani also in the newsroom here with us. Now, Shivani, this is what we've got to know from Rahul and Vikrant at this point of time, that he missed the flight and there are chances that he's tested positive for doping. No official confirmation. Yeah. But another shame for India, because how many scandals, let's see, this Rio game, Olympic Games have seen since the Indian contingent was supposed to move to Rio. You have Dharamveer, you have Inderjeet, you have Narsingh Yadav as well, who's now been given a relief from the NADA court. But it's a national prestige at stake.
That's right. And unfortunately, we were expecting something like this to happen, because remember when the names of both Narsingh and Inderjeet came out, NADA official had told us very clearly that there are 10 to 15 reports of dope tests of Rio-bound athletes which are pending. So he had also alluded to the fact that track and field athletes, where the chances of doping, where the casings of doping are higher, they are going to be more rigorously tested, and now we've seen a second track and field athlete to come under the cloud. We don't know the official confirmation yet, because I was trying to get in touch with the Federation president as well, and they do not know for sure. But reports are saying that he has, because when an athlete misses the bus or the flight to Rio at this late stage on August 2, barely 3 days before the opening ceremony, it raises doubts. But the biggest fear is, Devina, that there could be a couple of more names that may come out, because there are 10 to 15 reports that were pending. So we don't know whether this shame is going to end here, or if there are a couple of more names, because there are murmurs about a couple of other names as well.
No, but Shivani, also there are these guidelines that are very strictly laid out. Let me go across to Rahul with this. Now, Rahul, there are strict guidelines whenever the international event is happening for any athlete. It's about his career as well, specifically in this case of Dharamveer Singh, who is the first time India's entry in about 3 decades in the 200-meter sprinting event. So is it possible, now say it's too early to speculate, but is it possible another case of conspiracy here?
Well, so far we have not heard anything from from either Dharambir or from the federation or from NADA. But generally, this is a norm that is followed by every athlete. As soon as he is tested positive, he claims that there's a conspiracy against him. But just in case of Dharambir, he's an offender in the past as well. When he was, he was handed a suspension for evading dope tests. So here in this particular case, we are also awaiting his B sample test.
Okay.
Because now probably NADA will, now that it is out in open, especially in the media, the federation or NADA would like to make it official and notify the federation. And subsequently, his B sample will also be tested.
Okay.
But what you are saying, I think we'll have to wait for that a bit.
Rahul, Vikrant, Shivani, thanks for joining us this morning on this big story. Another taint hitting the India's Rio contingent. We continue following this story even more. Shivani, thanks for